Hi, I'm Kelly, and today we're making easy DIY stickers with Cricut. If you've ever wondered how to make stickers with Cricut or felt intimidated by the process, I'm happy to tell you that Design Space's new sticker project flow has made it easier than ever. I'll walk you through the full sticker making process step by step from design to cut. You're gonna love how quick and easy it can be. Let's get started. The first thing we'll want to do is get our materials together. You'll need your Cricut machine. Today I'm using the Cricut Joy Extra, but the process is the same for any machine that does print and cut like the Maker or Explore 4. Your home color printer, sticker paper. Today I'm using printable waterproof stickers, but we also have regular sticker paper and holographic stickers, just depending on what you're looking to make. And then you'll want a cutting mat. And we recommend starting with a print and cut calibration for your machine so you can make sure you have the most precise cut. I'll link a helpful video in the description box below for that. So after that's done, our next step to making Cricut stickers is heading into Design Space and selecting stickers and labels from either here or in this drop-down menu. This is gonna walk us through step by step and help with formatting, so it takes all the guesswork out of it. Today, I want to make some stickers for my nephew's upcoming birthday party, so I'm selecting decorative stickers. You can see a bunch of other options here too, which is so helpful when you're a beginner learning how to make stickers or labels with your Cricut. One of my favorite things about this is how easy it is to find sticker-ready designs. You can browse through images, upload your own artwork, or even start with a simple shape for text. Design Space shows artwork in this panel here that works great for stickers. You can use the search bar here too. Let's see what Design Space has for my dino party. This filter here is great. You can just view free images or designs with editable text. Once your design is on the canvas, Design Space makes sure that it's automatically formatted as a sticker. You can adjust the size and spacing on your sticker sheet here until it's exactly how you want it. But because this is Design Space, you've got a ton of flexibility. If we click on one of our stickers and click this sticker icon, you've got a bunch of options, just depending on what you're looking to create. We have two options for types of stickers. There's a kiss cut for making a full sheet of stickers where you peel the individual sticker off of the full sheet. So if I was making labels or using these stickers to seal party paper bags, I'd choose that option. Or you can select die cut. That'll cut all the way through the sticker sheet, so you'll have individual stickers with the backing still on, which is great for gifting, or in my case, handing out to party guests to take home. I love this option for an easy peel edge for die cut stickers. It adds a little border around your design that makes it a lot easier to peel off the liner. You can also choose how close to your design you want to cut. And you can have it cut interior shapes as well, like this. When you're ready, click Make. Design Space automatically sets up your project for print and cut, which is what you'll use for most Cricut stickers. You'll load a sheet of printable sticker paper into your home printer, and Design Space will walk you through printer settings and make sure your registration marks are ready so your Cricut can cut everything perfectly. Certain kinds of sticker paper, like my waterproof sticker paper, will have a top layer, so you'll just line that up and add that to the top of your printed sheet. Then we'll place our sticker sheet onto a Cricut mat and load it into your machine. Design Space will prompt you with the correct material settings, so even if this is your first time making Cricut stickers, you'll feel confident every step of the way. And that's it. Just peel and your DIY stickers are ready to use. You just learned how to make easy DIY stickers with Cricut, and now the possibilities are endless. Whether you're making planner stickers, labels, custom designs, or gifts, Cricut makes sticker making fast, fun, and beginner-friendly. If you're new here, be sure to check out other beginner Cricut tutorials. I'll link them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Cricut tips, tricks, and project ideas. Happy making!